जाता.
तर जिंदग्याच गेल्यात.
तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये किती बायकांचं पिशवी काढलेलं आहे?
In the farms of Beed, what's happening with women isn't just cruel, but systemically inhumane.
हाँ, मौसम तो बदल रहा है यहाँ। करीबन 5 साल से बारिश नहीं हुई तो अब सबको गन्ने के खेतों में मजदूरी करनी पड़ती है।
And sugarcane cutting isn't easy. Drought has dried the land and their choices. With droughts becoming more frequent, many in the village now see women's reproductive cycles as a financial burden. This is a direct outcome of climate change. Even on their worst days, the woman must work.
आणि त्यावर महिन्याचे दिवसात शेतातले खाडे पण होतात. त्याने कामाचे दिवस वाया जातात आणि पैसेही बुडतात.
In such conditions, our bodies become our weaknesses, and sacrifice is the only way forward.
जब से ऑपरेशन हुआ है तब से रोज़ दर्द होता है. रात को पति नज़दीक आता है तो और दर्द होता है.
मी 35,000चं लोन घेतलं होतं हिच्या थैलीच्या ऑपरेशनसाठी. आजपर्यंत ते लोन चालू आहे.
उन्होंने कहा थैली निकलवा लो, तो मैंने उनसे पूछा क्या मैं फिर भी औरत कहलाऊंगी?
In agriculture, women lose more than just blood during their cycle. 2,606 women examined, 316 uteruses removed. Most women were under the age of 40.
बच्चे पैदा करने का काम अब खत्म, अब सिर्फ काम है.
Imagine a really hot day. You step out for a few minutes, you feel dizzy, dehydrated even. You come home and you have some electrolytes. The same heat that you feel is pushing some women in some parts of our country to take off their uteruses. Let that sink in. Hello, Green Film Fund and AltF. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell this story. My name is Damini Arora. I'm founder and CEO at Meraki Digital, where I work at the intersection of climate crisis and women inequality. The story that I'm narrating here today is covered by a few media houses, yes. But no one actually talks about the crux of the problem, and that is, in fact, climate crisis. Something as simple as rising heat, simple to us, is climate crisis. Some countries also have started offering heat insurance so that they can get paid for hot days. I want to tell this story with climate lens. I don't want to make another poverty bond. I want to use science data to show how we should be using climate resilience tactics to deal with this problem in hand. I hope that you consider this worthy enough for the selection.
Thank you.